Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll guide you step by step on how to push your changes directly to your GitHub account using Xcode. First, let's make sure Xcode is connected to your GitHub account. If it's not, just go to Xcode settings and click the plus icon to add your GitHub account. To connect, you'll need your personal access token. You can generate this from your browser. Head over to GitHub, go to settings, then developer settings, and finally personal access tokens. Choose Tokens Classic and generate a new token. Copy this token and paste it into Xcode to complete the connection. Now, as you can see, I don't have a Git repository connected to my test project yet. To create one, click on Integrate and select New Test Project Repository. This will create a local repository, but it's not on GitHub just yet. To confirm, I'll quickly check in the browser, and as expected, the repository isn't on GitHub yet. So let's fix it. To send your local repository to GitHub, click on Remote, then select New Test Project Remote. Add a short description and Xcode will create the repository on GitHub for you. Now, if I refresh the browser, you'll see the repository has been created on GitHub. Next, let's make some changes to the code base. After editing your code, go to source control, select commit and write a clear commit message. Stage all your changes and then push them to GitHub. Once pushed, you will see your changes reflected both on Xcode and on GitHub. And you can even check your commit history to confirm everything's there. And that's it. You have now learned how to connect Xcode to GitHub and push your changes directly without ever leaving your development environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Happy coding!